Most people get decentralized crypto exchanges wrong by thinking they are all the same. I recently used Bakery Swap, a decentralized swap platform on the Binance Smart Chain, and here's my full experience. Bakery Swap allows you to swap tokens, provide liquidity, and even participate in yield farming. Unlike traditional exchanges, you remain in control of your wallet. No account sign-up is required. Most people get this wrong by assuming a platform without registration is insecure, but Bakery Swap uses smart contracts for transactions. The token swap process is simple. Connect your BSC-compatible wallet, select the tokens you want to swap, approve the transaction, and confirm. I swapped BUS for Bake tokens in under a minute, and the platform calculated the slippage automatically. The surprising truth is that Bakery Swap's fees are much lower than many Ethereum-based decentralized exchanges, making it cost-effective for small trades. Liquidity pools are where Bakery Swap really shines. I added Bake and BUS to a liquidity pool and started earning a portion of the trading fees. Most people get this wrong by thinking liquidity pools are risk-free. Impermanent loss is real, but with careful token selection, it can be minimized. Bakery Swap also offers NFT collectibles and gamified features like Bake NFTs and lottery systems. While these aren't essential for swapping tokens, they add a fun element for users interested in the broader crypto ecosystem. A downside is that, like all decentralized platforms, if you make a mistake, there's no customer support to reverse transactions. Double-check token addresses and slippage settings before confirming. Most people underestimate this risk, which can lead to irreversible losses. In conclusion, Bakery Swap is a versatile, low-cost decentralized swap platform with liquidity farming and NFT features. Most people get DeFi wrong by thinking it's overly complicated, but Bakery Swap proves that with a little guidance, anyone can participate in the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem safely. Subscribe for more crypto reviews and tutorials to make sure your trades are smooth and secure.